Hello students, in this video you will be studying communication part 1 of employability skills. I have covered its introduction, communication cycle, elements of communication, communication styles, types of communication comprehensively in this session. Now let's have a look on brief introduction to communication. As the simplest definition is stated there on the screen, that is, exchange of information by signs and signals, speaking, writing or using some other medium and means is called communication. Communication can also be defined as the process of transferring information from sender to receiver using a medium. Like this video is one such example of communication. The objectives of effective communication is also specified there on the screen, that is, sending, receiving and understanding the message or information, development of interpersonal skills to express effectively with maximum efficiency. Next we have communication cycle. In simple words, it can be defined as the process of transferring the information from sender to receiver and transferring the feedback from recipient back to sender. So this process forms a kind of cycle. This cycle has many elements involved, which are specified here on the screen. First is sender. So sender is a person who intends to convey the message with the intention of passing information and idea to others. Then next is message. Message is the information that is to be conveyed. Next is encoding. Encoding means the usage of symbols, actions or pictures to create the information to be transferred. Next element here is channel. Channel is medium through which message can be transferred. Next is receiver. Receiver is a person who receives the message, or we can say that for whom the message is meant for. Whereas decoding is the conversion of data by the receiver in such a way so that he may extract its meaning. And last we have feedback, which is important in ensuring that receiver has received the message and understood in the same sense as the sender meant it. The complete flowchart is displayed with the help of the diagram here. Next we have communication styles. So, which are verbal, non-verbal, visual and written. Where verbal communication is usage of sounds and words to express yourself. Non-verbal communication is transferring information using non-verbal platforms such as eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, etc. And visual communication is transference of information using symbols, images, drawings, sketches, charts, graphs, etc. Written communication means transmission of information or messages in writing using letters, reports, manuals, etc. Next we have types of communication, which is divided on the basis of communication channel, that is given here, and on the basis of style and purpose. On the basis of communication channel, communication is divided into two parts, that is non-verbal and verbal, as already discussed. Where verbal communication is further divided into two parts, that is oral and written. Where oral communication is transference of message by speaking, and written communication is sending of messages in writing. Where oral communication is further divided into two parts, that is face to face and distance, which are self-explanatory enough. Next we have types of communication based on style and purpose, which is divided into two parts, that is formal and informal. Where formal communication is where the information is passed through predefined channel or in systematic way. We can also call it as official communication. Whereas informal communication is the one that does not follow any predefined channel. Therefore, it is considered as very natural way of communication that we people use in our daily life while communicating with our parents, with our friends. So students, here I end up this video and will cover further topics of communication in the next one. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a great day.